And I just got this beauty in the mail. It's my Volkswagen Schwimmwagen, the Type 166 made by Torro. This neat RC wonder is equipped with four-wheel drive and the ability to swim around in the water. The real Volkswagen Schwimmwagen was the German's equivalent of the Jeep. However, unlike the Jeep, the Schwimmwagen was amphibious. Here on the top of the box we can see the three colors that are available: camouflage, desert, and gray. I opted for the desert camouflage. Here on the back of the box we get a wonderful piece of artwork as well as a couple of historical photos. It does give a brief description, however it is in German, and although I do speak German, it's not good enough to put on the internet. Once again, on the bottom of the box we are reminded of the multiple different colors available, as well as a couple of extra warnings. With the box out of the way, I think there's nothing left to do but to get it open. Alright, with it all out of the box, the Schwimmwagen itself is remarkably light but remarkably detailed as well. There's a small little thread there, I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but that's how you lower and raise the propeller in the water. It is four-wheel drive. Each one of these has a little independent wishbone. It does have a small amount of suspension. However, it's important to note that you should not push this car along. It will damage the four-wheel drive system. And here's the inside of the box. Here we have our charger for our tiny battery. Here we have a teeny tiny little battery. It's a 128 milliamp. We have our controller, extra machine guns. This one also came with batteries for the controller. Insert. Here's that warning I was talking about. Whatever you do, do not push this car along. You'll damage the four-wheel drive system. As well as some decals. Oh, yeah. Some decals. And your instructions. Let's take a look at this remote. Nice, and it's big, and it's actually got a little soft plush to the wheel here, so it's very comfortable. It's got trim. I have no idea what any of these do, but we'll read the instructions. Here towards the back of the Schwimmwagen you have your on-off switch located right there. Windshield, just like Jeep's, does flip up and down with a little wiper in the middle, and this little convertible top will come up to expose where your battery will go in the back right there. Alright, and here in the back we have this propeller, which is lowered down by that string and allows you to propel yourself forward in the water. In terms of scale, the Schwimmwagen fits perfectly alongside my headlong tanks. Now all that's left to do is put the battery on the charger, and then we can take it for a spin.